Hello dear Taurus, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we begin our monthly reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe to my channel. Do share my videos also. Yeah. So let's begin my reading. Thank you so much for doing that. And let's begin with our monthly reading this time for the month of October 2020. What Taurus has for you. So Taurians, this is going to be a kind of um, holding on. You have to be little strong enough. I know Taurans are already much strong. They are strong. They don't give up very easily, right? They keep perceiving things. So here I have your cards with me. And this is a 3 card reading. Now the first, if I have to read these cards differently, I would say the first card, Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is saying me an indication that you are been struggling with some kind of with some issue. You have been struggling with some issue from past few months or past few weeks, and you still finding it difficulty in overcoming that problem. Is that so? Then in that case, this card is here to say that the problem may, there is the problem may still be there. This issue you still have to deal with it, and this card is here to say not to give up. Maybe this is, for some more time, because now you have already been traveled all these days, and um, this is not the time that you should get disappointed. This is the time again to stand, to take your hold, to take your ground, and then still stand. You see, still stand and make the most that you can do. Keep fighting, I can say, yeah, with the fighting spirit, as you already have, dear Taurians. So with this maintain that stubbornness, yeah, as no, this is the main characteristic of a Taurian, the stubbornness. So here your stubbornness is going to help you. So be that stubborn and don't give up this time. This card is here to say you that. Okay, and at the same time, there is another card, Five of Swords, which is saying us that, you see, you have to, though you are taking a stand, you shouldn't be an egoistic person. Yeah, you shouldn't get egoistic, in the sense, you see, if you there may be some situation where if you may have to give up in the a small situations where, where you don't want to give up because of ego, the arguments. Not in the arguments, we have to prove ourselves through our actions, isn't it? So don't, if there are some arguments, if there might be some arguments anyhow this month, so in that case you just don't ignore, keep ignoring things. Don't take it to your ego, and start wasting your energy there, for the sake of your ego. So this is not what you are supposed to do, dear Taurus. You need to be little cautious about this thing. Okay, and now I have another card with me, which is Page of Cups again. And that's again says, yeah, the Page of Cups is something positive. After these two cautious cards, I mean, after these two warning cards, kind of, we have this Page of Cups, which is going to give us some relief. And it says that there is going to be a news on the a better news, a good news, that can be related to, let me see. Yeah, so a news is going to come, and uh, some positive news which you have been, which you were waiting for, something like maybe an increment, or maybe some job related thing, a project coming to you. So this kind of thing, something better is going to that we can hear this month, and which is going to give you a sigh of relief, which is going to make you cheerful also. Okay, so dear Taurians, this is the time which where you have to take your stand and hold yourself. Now I have your energy card also, and then that says, this is yin and yang. Yeah, so this card says that No? This is more of an intention. This card talks is more of an intention, not about the action. So as we have already seen that this is the month where we don't really have to give up also, or neither we have to react so much. So this card again says, the energy card says that this is not the time that you should actually be proactive, right? This is the time where you have to think about how you are going to deal with the things, think, plan something. And this is more about intention, about your intention on some particular thing, like my intention, or maybe no maybe I have an intention to do big in my job, or to do big in my healing, with my healing abilities. Okay, so this is the card where this is the energy now this month, which will help you in attracting your what you actually desire to. Okay, so this is where the intention really matters for you, Taurus, if I'm making sense to you. Yeah, this is the card then. No, that says that hold upon, again the same thing, the energy says that you see, don't be proactive as of now. Don't take a decision immediately on anything. Don't decide anything immediately this month. Don't say that no, this is not going to happen, so I'm going to give up on this and let me try something else. So don't get into such hasty decisions this month. Instead, just hold on and keep your planning going, keep your intentions active. That's it. All right, Taurus. And then I have a guidance from you, in from your angels, and that is really awesome one. Go for it. I just read this message for you once. Your prayers and positive expectations have been heard and answered. We have been working with you on this situation since its genesis, and we continue to watch over you and everyone involved. Stay on your present path, as it will take you very far indeed. Again, the same thing. I think this is all making me think, saying that, you see, stay on your present path, as it will take you very far indeed. This is the time we are not supposed to give up. We are not going to give up this month. Taurus, decide this, make a point, make a note on this, keep a note, keep wherever you can, on your bed, or over your bed, or on the door, on the fridge, wherever you can, just take it everywhere. You are not going to give up this month, because there are going to be energies which are going to force you to give up, but you are not going to do that, and nor neither you are going to end up with such arguments also. All right, Taurans. So I really wish you good luck. I am very sure Taurans are going to have, no, Taurans are going to mm, make the most of it, and be stubborn on this, right? So I see you again in the next one. Till then, please do let me know about your honest review under the comments, in the comment section below this video, and I see you again in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Good luck, take care.